In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cool email signature in Pipedrive fast. We'll build a clean, professional signature right inside Pipedrive, so your emails look on brand and consistent, without any complicated setup. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the top right corner of your screen. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. This is where all your personal and account settings live, so it's the quickest route to everything you control about your user experience. From that menu, choose Personal Preferences. This section bundles your individual settings, including options for email, appearance, and other tools you use every day. Once you're in, look for Email Sync in the navigation. Go ahead and click it. If you don't immediately see Email Sync, you may need the right permissions or plan. That's normal in some accounts. The signature feature sits here because Pipedrive applies your signature to outgoing emails composed in the platform. Next, find the Signatures area and click Add Signature. This opens the editor where you'll create your new signature. A quick tip before we type anything. Pipedrive lets you store multiple signatures, which is perfect if you switch contexts, like sales outreach, customer success, or partnerships. Give your signature a clear name. Pick something descriptive you'll recognize later, such as default, sales outreach, or support reply. Good naming helps you stay organized if you create more than one version down the road. Now, in the body field, write the content of your signature and format it using the toolbar. Keep it concise, scannable, and aligned with your brand. A simple layout works best. Your full name, role, company, and a couple of key links, like your website or a booking page. Use bold sparingly for emphasis, set a readable font size, and keep colors accessible with good contrast. You can add dividers or spacing to separate lines neatly, and turn text into hyperlinks so your links look clean. If you include a logo or social icons, keep images small and optimized so emails load quickly and render well on mobile. Consistency is everything. Match the fonts and colors your organization already uses, and avoid long disclaimers unless they're required. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. That's it. Your signature is now ready and will be available when you compose emails in Pipedrive. If you ever need to tweak it, come back to the same place, adjust the formatting or wording, and save again. To recap, open your profile menu, go to Personal Preferences, select Email Sync, click. Add signature, name it, craft and format the content, and save. You've just built a polished Pipedrive email signature, fast, professional, and ready.